So let's go back to our example.
Mhm.
Okay, so our example is I love strawberries.
I love
Where is your subject?
I.
I. Very good. So your subject is I. How
Mhm.
about the predicate?
Love strawberries.
Correct. So I love strawberries. I am doing the action which is
Mhm.
loving strawberries. Okay, so are we good on that?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Do you have any questions, Takuma?
No, it's fine. Thank you.
Okay, it's fine. So let's move on to our discussion. Okay, so we will be discussing about verbs.
Verbs.
So, what are verbs? Do you
It,
have any idea about verbs, Takuma?
I thought they were like predicate first. At
Oh,
first.
yeah, at first, because they
Mhm.
are part of the predicate. That's correct. That's also right, Takuma. Good job. So verbs are words that show action or state of being. Okay? So verbs are action words. Okay?
Action.
So for example, run.
Run.
Okay. So what is he doing, Takuma?
He is running.
Correct. He is running or he runs.
He runs.
Yeah, okay. And we have also walk.
Walk.
Okay, so she is
She
walking.
he walks. She's walking.
Okay. And for example, we also have dance.
Dance.
Yeah. Can you use the verb dance in a sentence, Takuma?
She is dancing.
Yo. Oh, correct. Okay. She
I
dancing, she is
dance.
dancing, or she dances. It's also
She
fine. Okay?
yeah.
So we will discuss about that later on. Okay? Do you have any questions for verb so far, Takuma?
So far so good.
Okay, so far so good.